This is the Bosch Truvo, a multi-detector designed to find cables, studs and metals behind surfaces. This detector is simple to use. Just turn it on and run it along your wall or surface. It'll let you know if it's safe to drill, cut or drive fasteners in. It uses a light display and audible tone to warn of detected objects. Green is safe, yellow warns that there's something in the vicinity, red warns that you're on top of an object, and flashing red warns of live wires. It can detect ferrous metals up to 70 mm deep, non-ferrous up to 60 mm deep, and copper conductors with live current up to 50 mm deep. It has a basic and easy to use design with just a power switch. It also has markings on the body to help you locate exact positions. Once powered on, the detector automatically calibrates to ensure accurate results. It takes 3 AAA batteries that deliver around 5 hours of operation time. And to save power, the detector will automatically turn off after 10 minutes. This is a brilliant device that will save you from costly errors. Now, this is just one of the detectors available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.